Ever pondered how your morning jog or that weekly yoga session is affecting more than just your physical fitness? Today, we're venturing into the intriguing nexus between exercise and mental health. We'll unravel this complex relationship with the help of data from wearable devices, surveys, and mental health assessments. From mood swings to anxiety, from joyful highs to depressive lows, we'll explore how your workout routine could be the secret key to mental well-being. Now hold on tight as we dive deeper into this fascinating correlation. Data never lies, and in this case, it tells an intriguing story. Let's delve into the fascinating world of numbers and patterns, where health meets technology. Wearable devices, those little gadgets we strap on our wrists or clip on our clothes, are treasure troves of data. They track our steps, monitor our heart rate, and even measure our sleep. Now, imagine correlating this data with our mood swings, anxiety levels, and overall mental health. Intriguing, right? The data harvested from these devices show a compelling trend. As physical activity increases, mood fluctuations decrease. A steady heartbeat during exercise translates into a steady mind after. People who engage in regular exercise demonstrate more emotional resilience and stability, according to the data. Now, let's talk about surveys. They're like a mirror society holds up to itself. When asked, individuals who exercise regularly reported better mental health than their more sedentary counterparts. They felt happier, more content, and less stressed. Exercise, it seems, serves as a potent stress buster and mood booster. Finally, mental health assessments, the clinical tools used by professionals, add another dimension to this narrative. They show a significant decrease in anxiety and depression levels among individuals who exercise. The more they move, the better they feel. It's as simple and profound as that. Quite a revelation, isn't it? But wait, there's more to this story. So, what have we learned from this deep dive? Well, there's a whole lot to unpack. We've taken a look at numerous data sets from wearable devices, surveys, and mental health assessments, all pointing to a singular conclusion. Exercise has a profound impact on our mental health. It's not just a notion. The data underpins it. Regular physical activity doesn't merely keep you fit and healthy. It's a catalyst that sparks improved mood, helping to lift the gloom on those cloudy days. It's a natural stress buster, reducing anxiety levels. It's a formidable opponent to depression, assisting in lowering its impact. Exercise, in essence, is a powerful tool in our mental health toolkit. It's a way of tuning our minds, making them resilient and robust. Exercising, it appears, does more than just keep your body in shape. It's a boon for your mind too, so why not make a habit of it?